Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to wear your school uniform belt. Achieving a neat and professional look is simple with a few key steps. First, ensure your belt is positioned at your natural waist, not too high or too low. Every belt loop on your trousers should be used to keep the belt secure and prevent sagging. Finally, center the buckle precisely at the front for a polished appearance. Selecting the correct belt is crucial for a proper uniform. Always choose a belt that adheres to your school's specific color guidelines, typically black or brown. The belt's width should be appropriate, usually between 1 and 1/2 inches, ensuring it slides easily through all trouser loops without being too loose. Opt for a classic, simple buckle design to maintain a professional look. Fastening your belt neatly ensures a smart and tidy appearance. Begin by threading the belt through all the loops, moving from your left to your right. Pull the belt firmly, but not uncomfortably tight, so it holds your trousers securely in place. The end of the belt should extend just enough to pass through the first belt loop immediately after the buckle, preventing it from flapping. Achieving a polished look with your uniform belt is the final touch. Always ensure your shirt is neatly tucked in, creating a smooth line beneath the belt. The belt should enhance your uniform, not distract from it, contributing to a cohesive and professional image. Take a moment to check your belt's condition regularly. A well-maintained belt reflects attention to detail.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.